Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add pages to your Shopify store as well as your navigation menu. So let's get into it. On the left hand side you will see that there is an online store button just underneath sales channels, and here you want to go down and look for pages. Now as you can see here, this will be a display of all the pages that I have created on my Shopify store. Now what you can do over on the top right hand side is tap on add page, and it's literally this simple. We're going to add a page here and we're going to call it about us, and then we can also add in some content to that page if we would like to, and we're going to go over to the right hand side of the page at the bottom and tap on save. Alright, so once we've saved this page, we're going to go back to the left hand side and look for navigation. So what you're going to see now is on your actual storefront, you will have that page available, but you will have no way of getting to it. So that's why you need to go into navigation, go to the main menu in the center of the page, and now underneath the menu items, you're going to go down and click on add menu item. Now what I'd like to do is just open up our storefront quickly so that you can see what it looks like. So I have these 5 items over here. And then when we tap on add menu item, on the right over here it says search or paste a link. Now once you tap in here, you can go down to pages, click on that and look for the page that we just added, which is about us. It automatically adopts that name, and we're going to tap on add, and here you can see it's right over there. Now one of the other things you can do is go ahead and click down and you can move it into a different order. Okay, so let's say we want to move it underneath contact. Let's say we want to move it so that it is a sub drop-down menu of one of these items. We're going to click down, move to the right, and release. And you can see now that this is now a sub menu of this above menu. All we need to do now is go ahead and tap on save, and we can go over again to this main page and refresh the page. And within a few seconds you will see that this has been added. And if you use that drop-down menu, the About Us is in there. Now, if you want to learn more about Shopify, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of amazing content that you need to watch. We'll see you over there. Peace out.